Tunnel boring machine explained in under 3 minutes, from cutterhead to breakthrough. It weighs over 1000 tons, crawls underground like a mechanical worm, and builds the future of cities. Discover how TBMs silently shape our world. Beneath your feet, a 200-meter-long mechanical beast carves through the earth, silently shaping the future. This is the tunnel boring machine, or TBM, and it's changing how we build cities underground. A TBM is a massive machine used to excavate tunnels in rock or soil. It's fully automated, precise, and replaces old methods like blasting with controlled, continuous tunneling. TBMs are enormous, some longer than a Boeing 747. Weighing over 1000 tons, they move slowly but carry unmatched power and precision through earth and stone. At the front is the cutter head, rotating like a giant blender. Fitted with disc cutters or picks, it grinds through rock, breaking it into fine debris. That debris, called muck, is carried back on a long conveyor belt inside the TBM, moving continuously so the tunnel never clogs or slows down. To prevent ground collapse, TBMs use pressurized chambers. These balance external earth pressure, using air or slurry to stabilize soft or wet soils as they cut forward. Behind the cutter head, robotic arms place curved concrete segments that form the tunnel lining. Each ring is installed quickly and locks into the last. Each segment has connectors, dowels or bolts, and rubber seals. These create a waterproof, load-bearing tunnel wall that supports the surrounding earth. Inside the TBM, a control team monitors every parameter: alignment, pressure, speed. It's part construction, part cockpit, and everything is managed digitally. Since GPS doesn't work underground, TBMs use lasers, gyroscopes, and sensors to stay on path. A tiny error could ruin the entire tunnel alignment. Powerful fans pump fresh air into the tunnel while removing dust and fumes. Without this, workers couldn't breathe, and machinery would overheat. Behind the main machine is a train of backup gantries. These carry power, grout systems, segment storage, and data cables, everything the TBM needs to stay alive. TBMs aren't fast, they typically advance 10 to 15 meters per day. But they do it continuously, with fewer disruptions and better precision than traditional methods. Behind the TBM is a smooth, circular tunnel, lined, sealed, and ready for whatever comes next: metro, highway, pipeline, or cable route. Geological sensors on the TBM detect soil changes or water ingress. If there's risk of collapse or flooding, alerts are triggered immediately. TBMs are shipped in parts and assembled deep inside vertical shafts. It's like building a spaceship underground, piece by piece. Unlike blasting, TBMs cause minimal vibration, less noise, and don't disturb surface structures, making them perfect for dense urban areas. TBMs can pass just meters below buildings, without damaging foundations. Sensors and planning ensure silent, vibration-free tunneling in crowded cities. After months of cutting, the TBM breaks through the final wall, into the receiving shaft. Workers celebrate. It's the moment of truth. Once the job is done, the TBM is dismantled, or sometimes buried forever beneath the city it helped build. A quiet end to a giant